Very warm greetings from the office of the Yimkhiung Youth Organization to each and every one of you. Now, hobo. Yadi amikan ki lakia se itu bi dile bisi bang. Amikan achi protest pura tu hele. Naga manu. Dosar tribe khan napai na. Amikan extra mangya asi bule amikan galdi asi gomode. Bule be manukit paigena amikan napai itu mangya ase. Manukan jagade tik teachers ase. Amian jagade tu Yimkhiung madine tu teacher nai. Itu pura student tu problem why say. It is clearly with the right to education Act 2009, which assured that children up to the age of 14 should be given a free and compulsory education. It completely state contract denied Kurdish Army Hunter. Yadi Yimkhiung madine. Kire money school to politician who live teacher dianai. This is a complete murder of our rights, a fundamental rights, and constitutional murder. Ito amihan kushi na paine. Just few days back, one of the minister, a state minister of Nagaland, was visiting a Bihu festival in Guwahati, and he was very proudly saying that the Nagaland is the highest state in the entire country to have attract tourists in a 2000, the past year of 2023. 2023 tourists to Nagaland here is India whole city as per the data, which means the 50% of the tourists come to Congo area to visit Saramati, to explore, to not just visit, to explore, to research. We will never tolerate that. We will never remain as mere spectator anymore. Isang ito mukuklana acan nungga aja. Tourist archo, Nagaland zogi cho, hajing archo ba. The state government have never given an importance in developing this area. They have never given a good road. They have never given a good hospital. They have never given a good college or a school in this area.
Schooling tade teacher na thagile student khan kotti buribo kon admission lobo idu state government idu khan pra janibo lage ami khan Yimkhiung laga lende Yimkhiung adile school ki man ase government laga school ki man ase tade teacher nai wadu 280 teacher nai goigena YAA khambra idu bisari gina paise tosta 20 nohoi ami khan idu bi bisi ase bhabise bolibi 280 teachers nai wadu mamuli nohoi do itu mamuli nohoi itu karne dusra kan tribe kan kini ka dia ase Yimkhiung kan logo debi ini ka dibina dusra tribe kan logo de kini ka morum guri ase itu nisina Yimkhiung manu kan kini morum guri bina ami kan bra itu YAA kan bra presentation bi dise aro ultimatum bi dise holibi na hunya nisina kan dinga nisina na dikha nisina boi ase do itu karne ama khan bi bisi mondok ase dikhilebi na dikha nisna gile jawab na diye ami khan ki gile answer na diye ami khan bishi mondok ase de school ekta de student na thagile teacher ki nika hi boi ni ga bi koi ase teacher na thaga karone bacha khan to posti manu khan bishi to khoili bi private life school de pathai do baba ama khan bishi to guri gena hajira guri gena education dibole mon thaga karone private school de pathai do Hulibi, kunuba baba amma khan bishi duk thaga karone private school de bi patha bole na para karone bacha khan do bishi puri bole mon ase education bishi lo bole mon ase hulibi na puri gena jungle de fanda bukhi gena bera ase chinso thuri gena ara gadi gena bera ase do ami khan laga Yimkhiung manu khan lifeline pura gadi di ase do ito kunuba manu do ki chane Joa sal bra, nearly joa din bra. Teacher tik tayi na buri aishi gole. Doctor, engineering, first class, gazetted officers kan ula bole thaka manu bishi thagi gina bi thagi bodo. Itu kan pura jur manu hi ho bole dishe nagi. Itu kan sob manu hajira guri gina khaboli manu hi ho bole dishe nagi. Kile ami khange government kan dusra kan logodi kini ka dia ase itu nishina ami kan ki mangi ase itu extra mangan nohoi holibi ami kan babole right thaka mangi ase itu tu dile phal ase ami kan ajibra suru hoige na itu education start kura tu ami kan logodi jawab na dia ta state government brai jawab na dia ta ami kan khara thakibo kali borsungbi ini kai jabo itu karone ami kan ama kan nijor bacha junam di rakhigina education dibo goigina bhabna gurigina thakatende nijor laka bosti de school de teacher nai kote boli dibo kote education lobo mundo hoigina bishi bacha kan naburigina boyase school na jaigina boyase government teacher kan government school de bacha kan dik na shigai gana bacha kan bata bole na tia tu teacher na thaka karone ase to teacher available thaki she goli jabo to tai kan kiman tak puri bole ase itu puri gina graduate kuri gina itu middle school kan aro LP school kan government school kan de teacher guri ase to kile na batai ami kan laga pa bole right kile na tie itu karone ami kan bishi mundo kase itu bra ami kan itu education tu bishi tangor lamba na cha gide government private ami kan logode itu answer tu dile bishi phala se aro ami kan laga munduk apni kan bi jani di she gole ami kan bi bishi khushi babo kot jaga de holibi education thaka ajikali education te teachers kan kiman short ase itu tu Nagaland state government bra itu noile itu department bra itu sai digina ami kan Yimkhiung madi devi kiman short ase itu tu bisari digina pathai di she gole bishi khushi babote goigina itu last koi dia se thank you
Teachers! 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 No future! No future! No future! Teachers! Teachers! Teachers!
Teacher! No teacher! No future! No teacher! No future! No teacher! No future! We won! We won! We won! No teacher! No teacher! We won! We won! We won! We won! We won! No teacher! No future! No teacher! No future! We won!
We are going to submit our memorandum to the Additional Deputy Commissioner of Pungro. Teachers! Teachers!
Principal Director through the administration here. The content of this memorandum is to asking the department to ensure that the representation which is already on submission as well as the ultimatum and the demand to redress the shortage of teacher is materialized. Itu asa tu. As we continue mahala education to continue na jawo. So long that our education goes on, we will try to ensure that it is democratic and peaceful in Nigeria.
Thank you for that. Yes, good morning, everyone. Respected our YAA officials,